Hey, Appalachian Outdoors. Just want to show you a little sheath that I got in today. Been playing around with this knife that I purchased from a buddy. This is the Casström Lars felt. Seen it in a couple of the videos. Pretty awesome knife. Check them out. But this is the factory sheath that comes with that knife. It's just a basic leather. It's quality. It's nice leather. It's plenty thick. Got a nice weld in it. Stitching's nice. It's a heavy made, durable sheath. It's just plain though. I like a ferro rod loop on my bushcraft knives, and kind of like more of a square design other than having this all cut like that. Nothing wrong with it, just personal preference. Anyway, so I seen this knife sheath. It was online, and this is from BPS Knives, and I've been also playing around with the Bushmate 2.0, but this is the actual bigger sheath. Had these on sale on Amazon for 16 bucks and free shipping. That is the black leather sheath, matching ferro rod that comes with it. It is tight. The other one is starting to break in where I've been taking it in and out of it. But there you go. Comes the matching ferro rod. And these sheaths are actually pretty nice. Leather is thick, rivet at the top, nice stitching, nice square design. Comes with the belt loop and the dangler with it. So you can leave it downward on your belt if you wanted to, or you can wear it as a dangler. But pretty nice sheath. You can't buy the leather and the ferro rod for what you can order this sheath for 16 bucks off Amazon. I'll have the link in my description where they're at, but it fits this Casström perfect, and I believe that's what I'm going to carry it in. There you go. I'll send the link in the description. Check it out. Thanks for watching. Appalachian Outdoors out. God bless.